mamaya na.
Mali yung spell. Naka-play na? Name and position lang, right? I'm Adrian and I'm the head of our operational teams, and so the HQ decided to send us on a research trip to apparently tell people more about our NGO and its cause, and that's what we're here for today, and totally para hindi kainin yung budget na binigay nila para sa akin.
Wait lang guys, share lang ako.
Ha? Nasaan na sila?
Your job's a joke, you broke. Your love life's the old way. It's like you're always stuck in second gear when it hasn't been your day, a week, a month, even your year. But I'll be there for you when the rain starts to pour. I'll be there for you like I've been there before. I'll be there for you.
Okay guys, head muna tayo starting from me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6,
7,
8.
9.
9? Nasaan yung isa? Wait lang! Woo! Makoy, pwede ka na magsimulang mag-distribute ng flyers dyan sa kahit sinong nakikita mo dito sa paligid. Ikalat mo as much as possible. Sure! Sure.
Wow! Free food! Is this our company? Dapat ba'y pamigay ito? Andrea!
Let me take a peek at that. We have to gather everyone up for this.
Are we supposed to give this out? Where did you get that from?
Honestly, don't know. Just kinda like, Janasok, what type of thing?
Kami rin ba?
Ingay mo. Sabing wag ka na magtanong eh. Nagdamit na tayo sa trabaho.
Kasama rin kayo, no? No one is excused. We are here for a cause kasi this is a research trip. And that is to spread awareness about neurodivergency.
So TLDR employers and interns must give out these flyers as well as to spread the awareness of our NGO and its cause. Let people know about it. Got it?
Wala nang pero Miss Balansag, for we are INI youth. Pinopromote natin ang inclusivity para sa mga neurodivergent people. Katulad na lang nitong ginagawa natin. Yung program natin na to, para sa kanila to, para matulungan natin sila, para makita nila na sinusuportahan natin sila. Kaya hindi ako tumatanggap ng mga pero nyo ngayon.
Hulaan niyo kung sino biggest hater ni Boss Che.
Me. Sa mga hindi pa nakakakilala sa akin, ako si Chelsea. Ito ka nga. Manggugulo ka lang dito eh. Ito ka nga. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ako si Chelsea. Ako ang presidente ng organization natin. And I take my work very seriously. In our team, we wanted to envision a world where every neurodivergent people are included in every aspect of our life, education, work, and community. Sinisigurado ko din na ang organization natin ay mananatiling totoo sa mission at vision na pinapakita natin to ensure na lahat sila ay mabibigyan ng suporta na kinakailangan nila. At yun lang yung papangarapin natin para sa kanila.
Jasmine from program department here. We actually kind of initiated this whole trip actually. But anyways, wala namang ginagawa yung isa namin kasama eh. He just eats. Hindi nga niya alam bakit kami nandito. At hindi ko rin alam bakit up for promotion pa yan.
Carl from Finance is my name, and eating is my game. Ha? Honestly, wala akong idea kung para saan pa tong research na to. Yun lang.
You see, the operational managers also saw this as a chance for us to market, and that's what we should be doing. Dapat natin i-encourage yung mga tao to check out more organizations that work with people with disabilities to truly implement change. and we should encourage them to learn more about it. We, INI Youth, hold dear our core values of listening and giving people who need it most a platform.
Have you ever felt different? Like you couldn't fit in? Maybe you felt misunderstood or excluded for reasons you couldn't quite explain. Well, imagine if that feeling of yours wasn't just an occasional thing, but rather your everyday reality. For millions of neurodivergent individuals, this is what life can look like, constantly navigating a world that wasn't built with their unique brains in mind. But here's the thing, being different doesn't mean less. And that's exactly what we're here to change. Ano ginagawa nyo? As the head of marketing department in True Fashion, we've decided to broaden our reach through social media. Very meta, no? Kuya, wanna learn more about our organization?
Ay po, baka kasi sumali sa organization namin. Ito ang INI Youth.
Sige po!
Gusto ko ng INI Youth. Hi po, baka gusto niyo makondin sa youth namin. Wala naman nag-a-accept ng flyers natin eh.
Ganito bang nararamdaman ng mga nahuhulog sa ganda ko? Guys, ang hirap naman ma-reject. God, pikang-pika na ako. I'm about to faint.
Wala po kaming extra eh.
Po?
Wait, here po, illustration board. Right here. So this is what NGO is really about.
Maybe we were too harsh?
Yeah, kaya dapat sineryoso natin po.
After all, we did join this NGO. We should be accepting their mission and vision, and we shall embody them too.
Na-fulfill niyo ba yung mga kota ninyo?
Very much so, indeed.
We've learned a lot today. First is that inclusion isn't just about being around with people, but also making sure that they were given a real voice.
I believe advocating for them doesn't just help people in need. Need to, well, learn how to communicate to other people so they can understand what their needs. Kasi man, it is really lack of understanding and awareness that keeps people included being.
As we know, PWDs are sometimes misunderstood and overlooked. Aminin, naging parte ka nun. But by educating the public and with the help of INI, I believe we can take down those barriers and create a healthy environment for everyone. I also thought that INI isn't just about neurodivergent individuals. They mean everyone, and that includes you.
But it's up to each of us to be part of that change. Often, it starts with a conversation like this. Sa trip na to, ang greatest lesson ko siguro ay, inclusion is not a favor. It's a right.
Pagod na ako, boy.
O ano, saan, sino, bakit, sa paano, paraan. Minsan, ang swerte mo nasa paligid lang. Ang buhay ay ganyan. Nasa palad mo ang pagbabago ng takbo. At walang mangyayari kung hindi mo susubukan. Magbukas ka ng isipan ka.